Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. An air cabin filter is an important component in a vehicle's heating and cooling system. It helps protect the passengers from contaminants by removing harmful pollutants, including pollen and dust from the air they breathe within the car. This filter is a small pleated unit, often made of an engineered material or paper-based, multi-fiber cotton. Before air can move into the interior of the car, it goes through this filter, trapping any contaminants within the air to prevent them from infiltrating the air you breathe. The cabin air filter is often located behind the glove box and cleans the air as it moves through the vehicle's HVAC system. You might be able to access it yourself by removing the glove box from the fasteners that hold it in place. However, if your cabin air filter is beneath the dashboard or under the hood, it might not be as accessible. If you want to know the signs that your filter needs changing, watch for reduced or weak airflow even when the heat or air conditioner is set to high. A whistling sound coming from the cabin air intake ducts. Musty, unpleasant odors coming through the air in your vehicle. Excessive noise when the heating or cooling system is running. It is still okay to drive if you find this symptom in your car, but you should check up on this matter in the next service. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.